Sa affidavit rather ni Yusek Bernardo, nabanggit niya, I can confirm based on my number 7, page 2, my personal knowledge that in some form or another and on various extents, based on current setup, each and every DPWH official employee from top and down line is buffeted with various avenues of corrupt practices. Tama po, di ba? Nabanggit niyo yan.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Tapos sabi po niyo, this is also true for several top officials of other departments or agencies such as DOF, DENR, DOH, DepEd, DA, DAR, DOTR, PCSO, Philippine Co. Tama po ba yun?
Yes po, Mr. Chair. I mentioned that in my affidavit.
Yes. So, ang tanong ng basic tanong, marami pa ba doon sa mga nabanggit nyong mga ahensya? Incumbent pa rin?
Mr. Chair, may I consult with my counsel?
Yes, you don't have to say the names. I won't ask, because that will have to be subject to of another investigation. But we just want to know, doon sa mga personal knowledge mo, mga nakaupo pa ba itong mga ito? Yes. Because this should also be, the DOJ should also be interested in this. If we are really serious about going after all these crooks.
You're right, Mr. Chair. The department is very much interested in that, and that is the reason why these matters cannot be disclosed right now, because there are ongoing case build-ups.
No, I'm not asking for any name. I'm
Yes.
just asking for a general question. Meron pa bang mga nakaupo?
Yeah, I think
Yes or no?
as far as that question is concerned, it's okay for Mr.
Meron pa
Bernardo
bang
to answer.
nakaupo na opisyal? Yes or no?
Do I have the,
Yes.
the clearance from the...
Just yes or no, so that we are made aware.
I think yes po. Yes.
Okay, thank you. Maraming salamat, Mr. Chairman.
Before we leave this topic, nabanggit nyo sa affidavit nyo na si Secretary Bunoan, mentor ninyo, di ba?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
How long have you known him?
I think kahit po nung ako'y isang assistant district engineer or district engineer po.
But you used to be very, very close, hindi ba?
Nagpapasal po ako sa kanya noon. Siyempre po, kami pong mga from the district engineering offices, ay kumbaga namamasyal po kami sa mga USEC noon during the time
No,
dahil...
hindi yung mga USEC, kay Secretary Bunoan.
Doon po, USEC po siya.
Close kayo. In fact, nag-joke ka noong binanggit mo yung pangalan niya, napansin lang namin yun.
Yes po, close po ako kay SEC.
And wala kang, this is not a leading question, pero wala akong maisip na motibo para implicate mo siya. Other than, sabihin mo yung totoo, hindi ba?
Yes po, I'm after for the truth po, Mr. Chair.
Thank you.